Hello, everyone, I am Sister Little Elephant. Today we will learn a hook method for hanging gummy bears. What we use now is 5-strand milk cotton. Pair it with a 2.5 mm crochet hook. Next, crochet with me. First of all, magic ring. Make 2 rings on your fingers. Remove the needle lifting ring. Crochet hook inserted into needle lifting ring. Bring out a coil. Then hook and knit a lifting and releasing needle. We started the first loop of crochet. The first lap is in the needle lifting ring. Hook 6 single crochet A. Hook the first needle well and place a marking button to mark. Thread the keychain into the crochet hook. Then hook and weave the second single crochet. Then continue to hook the single crochet. 3. 4. 5. 6. Then tighten the cast-on ring. 3. This will close the opening. Then crochet the second round. Do not crochet a slip stitch at the end of each round. Just crochet the first stitch of the next round directly over the first stitch of the previous round. Next, crochet the second round. In the second round, crochet 1 single crochet increase in each stitches. That is, crochet 2 single crochets in each hole. After crocheting the first stitch, place a marker. This is the first stitch of our second round. Then continue crocheting in each hole. Crochet a single crochet increase 6 times. Then crochet 1 more time. Continue crocheting 1 more time. Please do not hesitate to like, subscribe, forward, and support. After completing the second round, there will be a total of 12 stitches. Next, crochet the third round. First, remove the marker. Crochet a single crochet in the first stitches. Place a marker on the first stitch. Then crochet a single crochet in the second stitches. Crochet a single crochet in the third stitches. Make a popcorn in the fourth stitches. Here is how to make a popcorn. First, yarn over the crochet hook. Insert into the fourth stitches. Yarn over. 4 times uncompleted double crochet. Now there are 5 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over the crochet hook and pull through all 5 loops at once. Now there are 5 loops on the crochet hook. This is how to make a popcorn. Next, insert the hook into the next stitches. Increase by crocheting 3 single crochet in order. 1, 2, 3. After increasing by crocheting 3 single crochet, we make a popcorn in the next stitches. Continue. Then insert the hook into the next stitches, crochet single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next crochet the 4th round, take down the marker. Crochet a single crochet in the first stitches. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. Single crochet in the second stitches. Single crochet in the third stitches. Single crochet in the fourth stitches, the stitches before the popcorn. Single crochet. The 5th single crochet is crocheted in the stitches before the popcorn. The 6th single crochet is crocheted in the stitches before the popcorn. The 7th single crochet is crocheted in the stitches before the popcorn. Continue crocheting 13, 14, 15. Next crochet the 4th round. First crochet 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then in the next stitches, crochet a popcorn. Then insert the hook into the next stitches. Crochet in order. 7 single crochet. Next crochet the 6th round. Remove the stitch marker. Crochet a single crochet in the first stitches. Then join the second stitches and the third stitches together as one stitch. That is, a single crochet decrease. Next crochet a single crochet in the next stitches. Continue to crochet a single crochet decrease. In this round, we follow this rule: 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, decrease crochet a total of 5 groups. Please do not hesitate to like, subscribe, forward, and reward support. After the 6th round, there are a total of 10 single crochet. Next, crochet the 7th round. First, crochet a single crochet in the first stitches. Then crochet a single crochet in the second stitches. Crochet a single crochet in the third stitches. In the fourth stitches, crochet a single crochet increase. We follow this rule: a single crochet increase. Repeat crocheting like this a total of 5 times. After completing the 7th round, there will be a total of 15 single crochets. Then crochet the 8th round. First, crochet 6 single crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in the 7th stitches, crochet a popcorn. Then continue crocheting 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Then in the next stitches, crochet a popcorn. These are the little bear's 2 little hands. Next, continue crocheting 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. This completes round 8. Next, crochet round 9. Rounds 9 through 10 are 1 South Carolina in each stitch. Single crochet in each stitches. Crochet 15 single crochets in total. After completing rounds 9 through 10 of 1 South Carolina in each stitch, we will crochet round 11. First, crochet 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, insert the hook into the 7th stitches. Crochet 1 popcorn. Next, insert the hook into the next stitches. Crochet 3 single crochets in order 1, 2. 3. Next, in the next stitches, crochet 1 popcorn. Next, insert the hook from the next stitches. Crochet 4 single crochets in order. This completes round 11. Stuff with cotton. Next, crochet round 12. First, crochet 2 single crochets together 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 7. 'Lastly, crochet a single crochet separately. And slip stitch to the first stitches crocheted. Cut the yarn, pull the yarn tail through on each side of the braid. Outside half strand, thread the needle. Finally, tighten the loop. After the opening is tightened, we will hide the yarn inside the bear. And then cut the yarn. Such a very cute little bear keychain is finished. Thank you all.